Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Nyambul, your conversion tracking specialist and GA4 expert. Are you struggling with inaccurate data collection or GA4 issues that just won't go away? With iOS restrictions and ad blockers, most businesses lose over 30% of their tracking data. Messy data leads to poor decisions and wasted ad spend. It is a problem that needs a precise solution. That is where I come in. I specialize in resolving complex GA4 issues and optimizing Google Tag tracking. I audit your current setup, implement robust GTM configurations, and ensure every event is tracked perfectly. My secret weapon is server-side tracking. This allows us to bypass ITP and iOS restrictions completely. I don't just fix tags, I engineer data precision to give you a clear view of your business. The benefit: you get 99% data accuracy for your tracking and attribution. With accurate data, you can measure, optimize, and scale your Google Ads and Meta campaigns with confidence. With over 5 years of experience and over 1500 successful projects, I deliver results. Whether you use Shopify, WooCommerce, or WordPress, I have the expertise to fix your tracking. I turn your raw, messy data into clear, actionable insights for your digital marketing strategy. Every implementation goes through a rigorous quality assurance process to ensure everything works perfectly. The benefits are clear: accurate reporting, better return on investment, and faster scaling. I maintain over 600 5-star reviews because I prioritize your business success. If you are ready to stop losing data and start growing, I am here to help you today. I provide detailed walkthroughs and playbooks so you understand exactly how your data is tracked. If you need this kind of help, please message me on WhatsApp or book a call at my website. I have mentioned my contact information and booking links in the video description box and pinned comment. Let's engineer your data precision together. Alhamdulillah, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.